Hi there, Dory Sukup here, founder of Inspiration Management. I'm here to introduce you to Protect Your Medical Spa product that we have. You know, as a business advisor, I'm always getting phone calls, or my team is always getting inquiries about the type of forms that we may or may not have. Do you have a consent form for Botox? Do you have one for fillers? Do you have one for lasers? And the list goes on and on and on. So since we get that question asked all the time, we decided to do something about it and help you out. We teamed up with Allison Avila. She is an attorney who specializes in medical spa business. So she has created an entire document for you that we took and put on this USB for you, so you can download very easily, customize, and then make these forms super easy for you to do. So here I printed out some of the content. Literally there are hundreds of pages of forms and different protocols and companies information that you need to know and implement within your place so you can protect your business. If you were to do all these forms, it would literally take you hours and hours and hours, if not years, and you don't know whether they're legal or not. But since they are created by an attorney, you are totally protecting yourself and your business and your team and your family. So you limit the amount of danger or problems that you might have. So I want to encourage you to go take a look. There's actually a PDF right next to this product that shows you an entire list of all the documents that are on this USB. Now you're not gonna get the paper copy. I just did this just to show you how many actual forms there are for you to see. But it's so super easy. All you have to do is take it, download it, and literally you have access to all these forms. So you have them on your computer, you can download them, you can customize them, and voila, your business is protected. So don't delay that, and don't try to reinvent the wheel and try to spend all this time doing this. If you were to hire Allison to do some of these forms for you, I think she charges like $500 an hour. So could you imagine how many hours it would take? So the price of this product is well worth every penny, not to mention the protection and the peace of mind that you will actually have. So go ahead, click below and get it for your business, and that way you can get started. Whether you're opening or whether you've really been in business for a while, you might want to review the forms that you have now, because laws and things change. So you might want to update it anyway. So go ahead and click below, add it to your success library, implement it, and protect your business. Go ahead and do it now. Don't delay. Until next time, stay inspired.